When I first phoned up, it was just really well explained, the actual machinery. I wasn't patronised. You know, often when you're looking at building equipment or something that isn't quite within your field, especially sometimes when you're a woman and you phone up, you can be patronised. That did not happen. I spoke to another lady and she completely understood where I was coming from. She really talked me through my processes to really understand what I needed and how she could help me, how the machines from Dustblocker could help me. So I really appreciated that kind of the time that was spent on that initial phone call, that initial contact. And then since then, obviously, in investing in the product, getting the product, there's really nice that they give a 30-day working with the equipment and guarantee your money back. So if you don't like it and it's not working, I mean, that's great. You know, you've got to try it out, basically, and the company actually gives you that opportunity to do so. You know, just in terms of usage, and I think sometimes figuring out how the two pieces that I bought, the fume extractor and the Dustblocker, can work in tandem. I think, you know, I would just when I phone up, I can ask those questions, and I feel okay about phoning up and just to make it, you know, putting in a query. People pick up the phone at the company, people pick up emails, and that's just reassuring, you know, especially when you've sort of made an investment. You know, these machines, for what they are, they're not enormously expensive, but obviously for someone on a budget like myself, as a self-employed person, it was an investment, but it was an investment in my health, so I didn't mind.